Hey there, welcome back to Wonderful Relationship. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of you have asked for: how to go from being the one chasing after her to becoming the one she's chasing. It's all about understanding the psychology of attraction and making a few strategic moves. So, if you're ready to level up your dating game, stay tuned. Before we jump into the tips, please remember to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our content. Alright, let's get started. Section 1. Understanding the psychology. To get into her head, it's essential to understand the psychology behind attraction. Here are some crucial concepts. 1. Self-confidence. Confidence is magnetic. When you exude self-assuredness, you become instantly more attractive. It's about believing in yourself and your worth. 2. Mystery. Humans are naturally curious. By keeping an air of mystery about yourself, you'll keep her guessing and interested. 3. Be a challenge. People tend to value what they've worked hard to get. By presenting a challenge, you become more appealing. 4. Emotional connection. Building a deep emotional connection is vital. It creates a bond that goes beyond physical attraction. 5. Respect. Always treat her with respect. Respect is the foundation of any healthy relationship. Section 2. Practical tips. Now that we've covered the psychology, let's discuss some practical tips to get into her head and shift the dynamic. 1. Invest in self-improvement. Start by investing in yourself. Read books, acquire new skills, and work on personal growth. A confident, well-rounded person is inherently more attractive. 2. Create mystery. Embrace the mysterious side. Share bits and pieces of your life, gradually, keeping her intrigued. 3. Be less available. Avoid being too available. Maintain your own schedule and let her chase you a bit. This makes you more of a challenge. Section 3. Building connection. Building a connection is the key to getting into her head. Let's talk about that. 1. Active listening. Practice active listening. Show genuine interest in her thoughts, feelings, and experiences. 2. Shared experiences. Create shared experiences. These memorable moments strengthen your bond. 3. Vulnerability. Be vulnerable and share your thoughts and feelings. It encourages her to do the same. 4. Support her goals. Encourage and support her goals and ambitions. Be her biggest cheerleader. 5. Be patient. Finally, be patient. Building a deep connection takes time. Don't rush it. Conclusion, and there you have it, folks. Going from chasing her to being chased is all about understanding attraction psychology, implementing practical tips, and building a genuine connection. Remember, it's about being the best version of yourself while respecting her boundaries and feelings. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content like this. Thanks for tuning in to Wonderful Relationship. We'll see you in the next video.